Now there are some this function. These are some mathematical functions. Calculate distance, not to be used here. Convert number into radian, and then some more mathematical functions like standard deviation, average, sum. These are useful when we do some mathematical uh, analysis. For example, when we will have results and we want to find some kind of average or some standard deviation or a sum simply, we can use these utility functions. So api.common.mat.average and pass a array of numbers that will give you an average of that. If you just simply want to add and get the sum, you pass the array of numbers and it will give you the sum. So convenience functions, standard deviation like that. Formatter. Now formatter is quite useful. Many times we use it um, primarily for display purpose in certain way, especially currencies. We use it, and if you want to show a number into currency, we use this. XML format, if we have a text and then we want to transform it into a XML, we can do that. So XML object will come. Pause. Now this is very interesting and useful functions. When you have a logic going on and you believe that, or generally it is useful in asynchronous functions or synchronous functions, wherever you want to hold the logic for some time, simply make a call to pause. Now this is async function, so you will have to put await before this, and then whole of your execution will wait. Okay, so this pause is quite useful. For show message will show you a small dialog. It is not pop up. It's a small widget that will show up in your bottom left corner, and that will show you the message. The difference between show message and show error is the styling. So in show message, the message will be in blue color, I think, and show error, it will be in red color. Yeah, color is red. Here, color is the default one. So you can pass a message, which is generally a string, and you can indicate that you want to only show this message. If there were other messages showing up, remove them all by passing this as second argument. You can also set a timeout. By default, every message is timing out. But if you want to set a different timeout, or you say never expire kind of thing, you can put the third argument. And console log, if you want to also show this message in console log. Additionally, you don't want to type two statements which says api.common.show message as well as console.log that message. You can simply put it here itself. You want to close a message or hide all the messages, you can call this, and once all of them are called, uh, closed, you have a callback. So suppose you want to first ensure all the visible messages are closed, and then you want to do something, you will use this hide message thing. Not so commonly used, because most of the time show messages are auto timed out. So after some time it will be closed. Or you want to show a specific message, you say clear all, and only that particular message will be visible. Show error, same as message, but it shows the content in red. Hide, same as hide error, the same as hide message. Nothing different, exact same implementation. Route to. Route to is a utility function. So from anywhere to anywhere, if you want to redirect, then you can use route to. Suppose you are on a particular action, you are doing something, and then you want to decide to go on to some other phase. Right now, what you are doing, you are calling set a redirect to something, but this is also useful, very commonly used. api.common.route to and pass the path application relative path, and it will take you directly over there. Reload. Now, if you want to load the entire screen, suppose your screen is frozen, or you just want to refresh your whole application, you can use this reload. Very rarely to be used because it will reinitialize the whole application. But yes, we can use it occasionally.